Okay, hello YouTube. Today I want to give you like a short overview and my personal opinion, I think, about the best keyboards on the market today and probably for the next couple of years to come. This is the Cheery focus. Okay, it's not focusing. Cheery MX board 6.0. You can see there's a Cheery logo from it. And there's the Cheery key. Why is it not focusing? There we go. This one there's the Cheery key. And what this key does, besides turning this button the red, after you've done the firmware upgrade, it was always blue, and this one is blue. But if you push this one, then it turns red, right? And this means it's activated. So if the Cheery key, or they call it in the manuals, they call it the turbo key. If this key is activated, then every single key is going to be on the screen within 1 milliseconds. That's what they claim about it. It has Cheery MX red keys with half keycaps. So those Cheery MX speed switches, they're basically, well, if you put half keycaps on it, you can find other videos on YouTube that calculate the travel distance and everything. It's basically the same, just with red switches. They also made a special edition of this keyboard. They made only 10 keyboards with Cheery MX speed switches. So this is a special edition, but it's nothing. And this is the magnetic. It attaches magnetically to it. It's really nice. I didn't believe in the beginning it would hold on tight with the magnet, but it always sticks on it and goes off really nice. You can lift this one up and then goes like this. Really good. Real rubber, not synthetic rubber, real rubber. It's really comfortable. I like it. But if you use this one, you should use these caps, because if you close them, you can hear the quality of this thing is amazing. If you have it down, then it's a bit difficult to write. But yeah, this is the fastest keyboard on the market, man. They have this real key technology. You can look it up on YouTube, what it is and what it does. I just want to tell you guys, it's the truth, what they tell you, man. I can't measure it or anything, but I know from my previous keyboards, I can notice difference. I can see when I push the button, I swear to God, I see it. I got the feeling I see it on the screen before I push the button down. Which could be true, because if you just push a little bit down, like, it already activates it, and I bottom out the keys. See, I'm writing there lots of, if I just hold it down and goes like this. In case you're interested in this shit, oh my god. Okay, I mean, I see it happen on the screen before I bottom out the key. So I love this keyboard, man. And it's not annoying like the Razer green switches. You get this really nice tactile feedback on the green switches, it's a bit annoying when you have to always click, 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 you know. But sure, if you like it. I bet your neighbors don't like it. My neighbors didn't like it. I got complaints about the Razer key switches from my neighbors. But this one is really nice. I mean, oh, I love this. It's also the quality of this thing. Also, it has the coating. I don't know if the keycaps also have a coating of it, but the silver coating, this aluminum metal, I think it's metal, aluminum, what was it? I'm not sure what it was. But it has a coating that is anti-dust, anti-dirt, anti-everything. And I've used this keyboard now since a couple of months, okay? Not more than half a year, but I never washed this one. I never washed here. I never cleaned the keyboard. And it still looks like it's new. There's no dust, No dirt, no smudge, no anything. And I'm eating here. I swear, I'm eating. I'm sitting on the keyboard on my desk in the internet all day. Them eat here, and I have dirty fingers after training when I go out shopping or whatever. Okay, I'm a pretty clean guy, but anyways, this is so good. The light, I don't really care about it. I have it in the brightest setting always. You can also turn it down, and then you can, yeah, you can. This is like 1% steps and 1% steps down, and you have your 10% steps up, 10% steps down, and stuff like this. I don't know what this key does. Oh, yeah, this is off, of course. And then there's function keys for louder. Zone off. I would have wished that they would be over here maybe because you have to push the FN button, but then I can't reach those. But anyways, then there's the num keypad. Now it's activated. Now it's off. I wish that would be the other way around, so I can have it activated with the red light on, but never mind, it's nothing. And we have here those keys, I never use them. This keyboard is fucking brilliant, and hands down, it's the fastest keyboard on the market. It's simplistic, it's nice. Okay, there's no like some other keyboards I've seen. I would like to have that, like some extra buttons here that you could assign specific tasks to or something. But you don't really need it. Could be nice to have it there for whatever. But sure, you don't need it. You need fast keys, right? Because you're playing video games. That's about it. What else can I say about this keyboard? Oh yeah, the cable, man, is nicely braided. I mean, really nice. This is the Razer cable from the Razer Death Adder. It's also nicely braided, but this one feels so nice. I mean, holy balls. So nice. I could just, of course, if I turn this around, there's this cable. Get it on it. You can plug it off, out or in, and then you can route the cable out here or around to the side or either to the other side. I love that option. So I can have the cable to the right side because my PC is on the right side back down there. And before I had it on the left side, and then I've had it on the left side out, and this one I can choose, man. This is brilliant. This is just brilliant. I can see how thick the keyboard is. There's my finger in comparison. It's pretty thick, but all the keyboards are about the same. Mechanical keyboards are about the same thickness. Nothing to say there. But man, this keyboard, when I play League of Legends, for example, I hit the button. I know it's gonna work. It's so good. I can spell. Okay, of course you need to have a screen which has a really low input lag, so you can really see a difference. So it would actually matter having a keyboard with such a low input lag of maximum 1 milliseconds. And of course it's driverless, which is brilliant. So it doesn't take up like 1% of your resources and I don't know 50 or 200 megabits of your RAM to run in the program in the background. So I love it. This keyboard is absolutely brilliant. I'm not getting paid to say this. Just in the end, I bought this keyboard myself with my own money because, well, I had to switch to Razer keyboard. And I noticed on the Razer keyboard, man, if I push the button and nothing happens on the screen. Seriously, it didn't came through fast enough. It's nothing that you would worry about, but you notice those little things sometimes in a really hectic situations where you really needed to push that key that would have kept you alive or get it out of a situation and it doesn't work. You know you pushed it at the right time, but it didn't work on the screen, and then you're like, oh my god, what the fuck, you know? This doesn't happen with this keyboard, man. If you push the button, it's gonna push, man. It's gonna work. You're gonna see it on the screen. as I said, before I bottom out the key, man. Bam, bam. Okay, that's it, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment or criticize me. Thanks.